Next, we have John Soriano, candidate for the BAC Vice Chairperson. First question, what can we expect from the Business League next school year?
Well, as mentioned in my vision for the Business League, I believe that Business League in general has a lot of opportunity and potential right now. Given that it has been established its first year, second year it was grown, and now in its third year, I believe that there's really a lot of potential. So my vision for Business League this year, or its third year, is to solidify its grounds. Because for me, I believe that in order for us to achieve more, we really need to go back to the basics and really establish a solid branding for this premier business community. Because before I actually filed my GPOA, I actually asked a lot of people, including student leaders, on what they think of the Business League. And most of them actually answered that right now, the main problem would probably be relevance to them. So I think by going back to the basics and really establishing what the Business League stands for, we'll be able to establish that concrete branding for this community. And I think that is what's most important for the Business League right now.
My next question is more of a situational question. So an event is organized by a BA or overlaps with the BAC event you are heading. What will be your course of action?
Well, I think the very first step, I actually have to take things on that. The first one is, as much as possible, I want our actions to be more proactive rather than reactive. So I believe that at the end of the day, it all boils down to proper planning. So I believe that if we are going to involve the organizations in the planning process itself, we'll be able to avoid these kinds of issues. But in the event that these certain conflicts arise, which is somehow inevitable also, given that we have a lot of activities, given that we have a lot of organizations, I think it's more on the rules, being stricter with the rules, because at the end of the day, you set rules for these rules to be followed. So I think it is where you actually prioritize these rules. So in the case that you mentioned, if one org event has already scheduled this particular event on a certain day, I think we have to give priority for that organization, given that that organization actually complied with the rules of PISA.
Define crystallize.
Okay, crystallize, because as I mentioned, my vision for Business League this year is to actually solidify the Business League. So how are we going to solidify the Business League? So we actually have to undergo a three-step process based on my perspective. So first is to refresh. We have to really go back to the basics and to really identify what the Business League really stands for. We have to highlight its very essence of being the premier business community. And second, we have to reinforce. We have to reinforce in such a way that we are going to emphasize the flagship events of the Business League. As what I mentioned, I think I see the need to revamp the Business Week, which is one of the major events of the Business League. And lastly, to crystallize. For me, crystallize is sealing the full package of Business League as the most premier business community. So it's about, after establishing the relevance of Business League, after establishing its relevance and its real essence, we have to spread the word. We have to make sure to retain that. So crystallize is more of actually spreading the word and to make sure that this relevance that we have established will still remain throughout the years, even though years progress.
Thank you, John.